Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create Google Drive link to share files. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to create Google Drive link to share files. First, just you need to go to Google Drive. If you don't know how to go to Google Drive, just click in the 9 dots. After that, you see here, Drive. Click on it. Now just select the file you want to share. Just scroll down and select the file, or just you can type the file in the search bar. Okay, for example, if I want to share this one, the first one, just click on the 3 dots and then go share and then click share. Okay, here restricted. If you want to share it public, just click anyone with the link, and after that just click done. And if you want to copy the link, just click here, copy link, and then you can share the link to email or social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, or whatever. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to create Google Drive link to share files. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.